Welcome to our video on how to fix a boring relationship using the novelty hack. If you've ever felt that your relationship has lost its spark, you're not alone. Many couples experience periods where things feel routine and predictable. Today, we'll explore practical strategies to bring excitement and freshness back into your partnership. We'll start by understanding why relationships can become boring, then move on to actionable steps you can take to reignite passion and connection. Let's dive in and discover how novelty can transform your relationship. Relationships often start with excitement and anticipation. Over time, routines set in, and the thrill of new experiences fades. This is a natural process, but it can leave couples feeling disconnected or uninspired. Understanding this cycle is the first step toward change. When novelty disappears, partners may feel less motivated to engage or share meaningful moments. Recognizing these patterns helps us see that boredom isn't a sign of failure, it's an invitation to grow together. Let's explore how to break the cycle and bring back excitement. Novelty is the secret ingredient that keeps relationships vibrant. When we introduce new experiences, our brains release dopamine, the feel-good chemical associated with pleasure and excitement. This doesn't mean you need grand gestures or expensive trips. Small changes, like trying a new restaurant or hobby together, can make a big difference. Novelty encourages partners to see each other in fresh ways, reigniting attraction and curiosity. Let's look at how you can harness novelty to revitalize your relationship. The first step in the novelty hack is to identify the routines that have become stale. Take a moment to reflect on your daily interactions. Are you always eating at the same places, watching the same shows, or following the same schedule? By pinpointing these patterns, you can begin to see where change is needed. Awareness is key. Once you recognize what's become predictable, you can intentionally introduce new elements. This process is simple but powerful, setting the stage for transformation. Open communication is essential for breaking out of boredom. Share your feelings with your partner and listen to theirs. Discuss what you both miss from the early days of your relationship and what you'd like to experience together. Honest conversations create a safe space for new ideas and mutual understanding. When both partners are involved in the process, change becomes a shared adventure rather than a solo effort. Communication lays the foundation for lasting excitement. One of the most effective ways to inject novelty is to try new activities together. This could be anything from cooking a new recipe, taking a dance class, or exploring a new hiking trail. The key is to choose something that excites both of you. New experiences create shared memories and strengthen your bond. Even small adventures can spark joy and laughter, reminding you why you fell in love. Let's brainstorm some ideas for your next adventure. Surprises are a simple yet powerful way to add excitement. Plan something unexpected for your partner, a handwritten note, a favorite treat, or a spontaneous outing. Surprises don't have to be extravagant, it's the thought and effort that matter. These gestures show appreciation and keep your partner guessing, which fuels anticipation and joy. Regular surprises can turn ordinary days into special moments, making your relationship feel fresh and lively. Sometimes, a change of scenery can work wonders. If you always spend time at home, try visiting a new cafe, park, or city. Changing your environment stimulates your senses and encourages new conversations. It doesn't have to be a big trip. Even rearranging your living space or decorating together can create a sense of novelty. The goal is to break the monotony and invite fresh energy into your relationship. Reflecting on your shared goals can reignite motivation and connection. Discuss your dreams, plans, and aspirations as a couple. Are there goals you've neglected or new ambitions you want to pursue together? Setting and working toward goals creates a sense of purpose and teamwork. It reminds you that your relationship is a journey, not just a destination. Revisiting your goals can inspire you to take action and grow together. Gratitude is a powerful tool for deepening connection. Take time to express appreciation for your partner's qualities and actions. This can be done through words, notes, or small gestures. Gratitude shifts your focus from what's lacking to what's wonderful, creating a positive atmosphere. When both partners practice gratitude, it fosters mutual respect and affection, making your relationship feel more rewarding and exciting. Quality time is essential for maintaining intimacy and excitement. Set aside regular moments to connect without distractions. This could be a weekly date night, a morning walk, or simply sharing a meal together. The key is to be present and engaged, focusing on each other rather than external stressors. Scheduling quality time shows commitment and helps keep your relationship a priority, even during busy periods. Playfulness is often overlooked in adult relationships, but it's crucial for keeping things light and fun. Joke around, play games, or engage in silly activities together. Playfulness reduces stress and encourages laughter, which strengthens your bond. It reminds you not to take life too seriously and to enjoy each other's company. Embracing playfulness can turn mundane moments into joyful experiences. Learning something new together is a great way to foster novelty. Take a class, read a book, or watch a documentary as a couple. Shared learning experiences stimulate conversation and curiosity, helping you grow individually and as a team. When you learn together, you create new topics to discuss and explore, keeping your relationship dynamic and engaging. Looking back on shared memories can rekindle feelings of excitement and nostalgia. Go through old photos, revisit places you've been, or talk about your favorite moments together. Reflecting on memories reminds you of the journey you've shared and the experiences that brought you closer. It can inspire you to create new memories and keep your relationship vibrant. Stepping outside your comfort zone is a powerful way to introduce novelty. Try something you've never done before, even if it feels a bit intimidating. Whether it's traveling to a new place, trying a daring activity, or sharing a secret, breaking out of comfort zones creates excitement and growth. It shows your willingness to evolve together and keeps your relationship from becoming stagnant. Mindfulness helps you stay present and appreciate each moment with your partner. Practice being attentive during conversations, savoring experiences, and noticing small details. Mindfulness reduces distractions and deepens your connection, making everyday interactions more meaningful. When you're fully present, you're more likely to notice opportunities for novelty and excitement. Celebrating small achievements together can boost positivity and motivation. Whether it's finishing a project, reaching a milestone, or simply getting through a tough week, acknowledge your successes as a couple. Celebrations don't have to be elaborate. A toast, a high five, or a special treat can make a difference. Recognizing small wins keeps your relationship upbeat and encourages you to keep moving forward. Rituals are meaningful routines that bring couples closer. Create special rituals, like a weekly movie night, morning coffee together, or an annual trip. Rituals provide structure and anticipation, making your relationship feel intentional and cherished. They also offer opportunities to introduce novelty by changing up the ritual or adding new elements. Rituals are a foundation for lasting connection. Affection is a cornerstone of intimacy. Express love through hugs, kisses, compliments, or thoughtful gestures. Physical and emotional affection reassures your partner and keeps the relationship warm. Don't underestimate the power of small acts. They can make your partner feel valued and loved, contributing to a sense of novelty and excitement. Being vulnerable with your partner builds trust and intimacy. Share your fears, hopes, and dreams openly. Vulnerability invites deeper conversations and emotional connection, making your relationship feel more authentic and exciting. When you're open with each other, you create space for growth and new experiences. Healthy boundaries are essential for maintaining excitement and respect. Discuss your needs and limits with your partner, ensuring both of you feel comfortable and valued. Boundaries prevent resentment and create space for novelty by allowing each person to pursue individual interests. When boundaries are respected, your relationship thrives. Support is a key ingredient in any thriving relationship. Encourage your partner's goals, listen during tough times, and celebrate their successes. Support fosters trust and security, making it easier to try new things together. When you feel supported, you're more likely to embrace novelty and adventure. Conflict is inevitable, but how you handle it can make or break excitement. Approach disagreements with respect and a willingness to listen. Use conflict as an opportunity to learn and grow together. Constructive conflict resolution strengthens your bond and opens the door to new ways of connecting. Maintaining individuality is crucial for a healthy relationship. Pursue your own interests, hobbies, and friendships. When both partners have fulfilling lives outside the relationship, they bring fresh energy and ideas to the partnership. Individuality prevents codependency and keeps the relationship dynamic. Forgiveness is a powerful tool for moving past mistakes and keeping your relationship exciting. Let go of grudges and focus on growth. Forgiveness allows you to start fresh and embrace new experiences together. It creates a positive environment where novelty can flourish. Intimacy goes beyond physical connection. It includes emotional, intellectual, and spiritual closeness. Explore new ways to connect, such as deep conversations, shared meditation, or creative projects. Intimacy keeps your relationship meaningful and exciting, providing endless opportunities for novelty. Fun is essential for keeping your relationship lively. Plan activities that make you laugh and enjoy each other's company. Whether it's playing games, going to concerts, or simply being silly, fun creates positive memories and strengthens your bond. Don't forget to prioritize fun, even during busy times. Regularly reviewing your progress as a couple helps maintain excitement and motivation. Discuss what's working, what needs improvement, and celebrate achievements. This ongoing reflection keeps your relationship intentional and allows you to adjust strategies for more novelty and connection. Curiosity is the fuel for novelty. Stay interested in your partner's thoughts, feelings, and experiences. Ask questions, listen actively, and explore new topics together. Curiosity keeps your relationship dynamic and prevents boredom from settling in. When you're curious, you're always discovering something new about each other. Fixing a boring relationship isn't about drastic changes. It's about embracing novelty and making small, intentional adjustments. By introducing new experiences, communicating openly, and staying curious, you can reignite excitement and deepen your connection. Remember, every relationship goes through phases, but with effort and creativity, you can keep yours vibrant and fulfilling. Start today with one small change and watch your relationship transform.